Welcome back to CGI Made Simple. In today's video I'll show you how to create different level of details in one single Revit family, meaning that if you switch between fine, medium and coarse, pay attention to this chair over here, you have all of these three models in one single model, in one family. This will give you the advantage to maintain only one family, to have less megabytes of course, and to have the ability to switch this level of detail according to your needs. So let's jump into it. Let's say you have the best case scenario, meaning you have the geometry in the fine mold in this one. You need to go to the family and create the geometries for the other cases, for the medium and coarse. How you're going to approach and how the different modes are going to look like, it's according to your needs, taste, design, and so on. So in this video I'll show you how the approach could look like, how my approach is when I have the best case scenario, but you can do it vice versa for the other cases. So I'm going to open the Revit family over here. I will recreate the back and the seat, and I will make them into one object, so it is as simple as possible. I will duplicate the seat. I'll explain you right away why. Like this, finish. And since the seat is bent sweep and it has only one path, I will need to recreate it with the regular sweep. I'll just go to the sweep and first create the path. I will select this edge from the seat. Actually, I won't do it with the 3D. I would like to go just sketch a path. So I will pick up this one because I would like to have it more in the center, and in the right view I'll pick this one. You need to be sure that they're in the same plane. You can check the plane from here. And now I have these two parts. I'll just trim them and extend this to the top. Then it's okay, press OK, and I have the path already, and then I need to do the profile. Create profile, go to the front or back view, and just create a simple rectangular like this, maybe 2 centimeters. I won't go into the details so much. The precision in this video, it's not super important. It's more about how the main approach is. So finish and finish again, and we have a simple seat. I would just move this profile a bit lower, like this. Okay, and okay. Great. Then let's do the legs. I'll go to this edge view and I'll copy paste this part of the leg over here. Finish. I will choose one of, I have two overlapping parts, and I'll choose this one and go to edit, and now I'll double click here on the path, and with trim, this button over here, I'll just trim this and delete the arch. Press finish, finish, and I just need to move it a bit like this. Now I'm going to repeat this for the rest of the legs. So I have edgy, not curved legs to the rest of them. Okay, I have them all now. I'll give to the seat material, to the one that is coarse, and then I'll select the edgy legs like this. This is going to be my coarse version, and the trick is I need to go to the visibility graphics from the ribbon or from the properties, and I would like to see them only in coarse mode, meaning that I need to turn off fine and medium, and I'll press OK, and I will load this family into the project. This is my new family, the one I just made. And then when I go to coarse, I have this case. Uh-oh, it's not working. Why? I need to go again to the family. I'll hide this thing here and these legs, and I need to say the opposite for the rest of the geometry, meaning I need to hide these parts over here. You just need to filter and hide only the solid geometry. I'll go to the visibility and say don't show in coarse. Okay, I'll overwrite it, and almost there. I need to hide also the curved legs. I'll jump again into the family, select these 4 parts and hide them too. Coarse. Okay, I'll load it again, and voila, I have now this chair. So this is my original one. These are the 3 references, let's say. And if I switch between fine and coarse, I have now my 2 modes here in the chair, in the object that we just did. So you can apply the same logic for creating the medium one. And this will be the easiest because we have almost all the geometries here. I will duplicate this seat because I would like to have difference in the seats between coarse and medium. And I will duplicate this void like this. Finish. I will edit it. Maybe I need to select the other one. Okay, I'll unjoin it again. Then I will edit this void. Okay. My aim is to cut one of the seats. So I would like to have one solid seat with one part, only with curved edges. Just need to adjust this thing with a line over here and here. Press OK. OK. And now I just need to adjust here with cut. I have also uncut for this, for the voids. Okay. I uncutted one of the voids from one of the solids. And let me see what we have in the end. I have this guy for the coarse. On in coarse. Okay. I'll hide it for a second. I have this guy with the void, and I'll adjust the visibility graphics only for the medium. I'll turn this on, off, and fine is off. Okay. And I have these guys. I'll delete. This was only a placeholder for picking the line, and I have these guys for the fine. I'll load this into my project. Coarse is fine. Fine is fine. And medium I need to hide. This from the medium. This seat. Okay. And I'm hiding all of the things, all of the geometries that I've set visibility graphics for them. And I need to hide this seat for the medium as well. Okay, let me load it. Okay, now I just need to hide the back here, and we will be done. Not hide, I just need to select this and this part and leave it only for the fine mode. Like this. I'll load it, override, and coarse with edgy legs, medium, more detail, and fine mode, a lot more detail. You can use this trick, these ideas, for all types of families, big, small, depending on the scale, on your needs. Just use your imagination. This was a rough example, but I hope you get a logic behind it. And if you liked what you've learned today, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. This will help us a lot. And please let me know in the comments below, how do you use this visibility graphics, these modes, and what do you have better ideas for this approach, and another problems or tricks that you would like to share with us. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.